Attachment styles refer to the distinct patterns of behavior and emotional regulation that individuals exhibit in close relationships. These styles develop during early childhood experiences with primary caregivers and shape an individual's expectations, needs, and responses in subsequent relationships throughout their life. The concept of attachment styles stems from the groundbreaking work of British psychologist John Bowlby and his colleague Mary Ainsworth, who conducted extensive research on the bond between infants and their caregivers. The four attachment styles are secure attachment, anxious attachment, avoidant attachment, and disorganized attachment. Let's explore each one. Secure attachment. Individuals with a secure attachment style typically have a positive view of themselves and others, and they feel comfortable with intimacy and interdependence. They tend to establish trusting and lasting relationships characterized by open communication, emotional availability, and a willingness to seek support when needed. Securely attached individuals were likely raised by caregivers who were responsive, sensitive, and consistently met their emotional and physical needs, fostering a sense of security and self-worth. Anxious attachment. Anxious attachment, also known as preoccupied or ambivalent attachment, is marked by a strong desire for closeness and intense fear of abandonment. Individuals with this attachment style often crave intimacy, but simultaneously doubt their partner's commitment and availability. They may exhibit clingy or possessive behaviors, engage in excessive reassurance seeking, and experience heightened emotional reactivity during conflicts or perceived threats to the relationship. This style often arises from inconsistent or unpredictable caregiving experiences, where the caregiver was sometimes responsive and other times unavailable or rejecting. Avoidant attachment. Individuals with an avoidant attachment style tend to be emotionally distant, self-reliant, and uncomfortable with intimacy. They may deny their need for closeness and downplay the importance of relationships. Avoidant individuals often struggle with emotional expression and are reluctant to rely on others or seek support even in times of distress. This attachment style often develops when caregivers were consistently emotionally unavailable, rejecting, or dismissive of the child's emotional needs, leading the child to learn that it is safer to suppress their attachment needs and maintain emotional independence. Disorganized attachment. Disorganized attachment is characterized by a lack of a coherent attachment strategy and inconsistent or contradictory behaviors in relationships. Individuals with this attachment style may oscillate between seeking closeness and pushing others away, or they may exhibit a combination of avoidant and anxious behaviors. Disorganized attachment is often associated with experiences of trauma, abuse, or extremely inconsistent or frightening caregiving, where the caregiver was both the source of distress and the supposed source of comfort, leading to conflicting internal working models of attachment. So, over to you. What's your attachment style? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more about this topic, read my detailed article from my website. I've left a link to that article in the comments. I've also left a video on screen for you to watch about parenting styles.